Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a calendar in Monday.com. To get started, open your Monday.com workspace. You will either create a new board or choose an existing board where you want your calendar view to appear. For this tutorial, I'll be using a demo project board as an example. Once you're on the board, look at the top of the page and find the Add View button. Click on that, and from the list of options, select Calendar. This will create a calendar view based on the information already present in your board. You can name this view, such as Project Calendar. Now, in this view, you'll see your items organized by date. Any dates you have in your board's main table will automatically appear on the calendar. For example, if you have tasks or projects with specific due dates, those will show up here. You can also add new dates directly from the calendar view. Simply click on a date and you can create a new item with a name, assign it to a group, set an owner, and choose a status. Once you hit Create, the item will be added to your board and reflected on the calendar. You have the option to filter the calendar by people or other attributes so you can view tasks assigned to specific team members. Additionally, you can switch between month, week, or day views, depending on how detailed you want to get. Another way to make use of the calendar is by adding a date column in your main table if you don't have one yet. For example, you can add a due date column and specify deadlines for different tasks. Then, when you switch to the calendar view, these dates will automatically appear on the corresponding days. If your projects span over a period of time, you can use a timeline column instead of a single date. Just add a timeline column to your table, set the start and end dates for your project, and this will show up on your calendar as a block of time covering those dates. And that's it. You've successfully created a calendar in Monday.com and learned how to manage dates and timelines effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.